What's up, YouTube? So today it feels really nice outside. It's been raining for it rained at the track, which you saw a little bit of that outing, and it rained yesterday, and it's now Sunday, and so Whitey is still on the trailer. I'm gonna try to get it off the trailer, and I've got 2 boxes full and a bed full of parts for this unit. As you can see, I've got the mauling axe over here trying to get the wheels off of the rear end, so it's not faring so well. So yeah, I've got a little bit of stuff to do today. I got a small amount of time to do it in, but thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoy all this mess. All right, so first things first. Well, not first things, but let's get this box. This is a box full of parts that is damaged pretty good. Don't know how good you can see this. I'm trying to head mount for the first time, so. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, I've got the, let's see here. Let's turn it like that right there. I've got the 4-lug and some other parts. That's an 8.8 for the for Pinkman. But let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and get Whitey off the trailer first and see what we can do here. Poor Whitey didn't do so hot, in my opinion, at the track. I mean, it was all right, but it wasn't as fast as I wanted it to be, but it wasn't as slow as I thought it would be either. I think it's just water. You never know. You always get concerned when dealing with cars. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Anytime that there is a leak under Whitey, it gets me concerned, and it's just because of the transmission. Oh, I hate having this thing on the trailer, but tires cost a lot of money, and I like to take my friends and my son with me, and so whenever that happens, it's a little difficult to do with just Whitey, because I can't take that many people. I don't even know how good you can hear me with this thing. Probably not real well. Oh, let's see here. If you can see me in this little mirror thing here of this dirty car, we'll get back to you after Whitey is off the trailer. So here we are, finally in the car. Jack's out from under it. And let's see, I'll just show you how it's like pulling Whitey off of the trailer. I use the trans brake button, put it in reverse. Oh boy. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's try to not hit Jenna's car. And we are gonna put this thing right here. So this box, it's beat up pretty good. Hopefully nothing's too far gone out of it, but we're gonna go sit it on the hood of Pinkman. Hopefully it doesn't rain, even though it's looking pretty bad. It's not looking good, but let's take this thing over here. All right, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of these things, because I've got like 15 minutes to get ready before we have to go, so let's see here. All right, I think we have a bunch of fun stuff. Hopefully not too All right. Looks to me like right off the get, we have a UPR anti-roll bar. That's what it looks like to me. Should be more than enough for this old dude. Let's see here. What else we got? Upper and lower control arms. Yes, and he knew what I needed. Look at them units. All adjustable. Very nice. Big shout out to Brian. He was the one who got my order taken care of here. Let's see here. What else we got? Already had. Oh. Yes. Oh yes. Torque boxes. Yes, torque box reinforcements. Booyah. Oh, this is a bunch. There's a bunch of stuff in here. I can hear it. It's heavy. This deal's heavy. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Looks like our spherical bushings for the 8.8, and look at all these units. All new stuff for this thing. I decided to go all new rear bolt kit. This looks like, what do we got here? Strut hardware, at least one of them. Nice. Now, let's see what we got in here. Actually, we don't even have to look where we got Pro Series. Okay, these are my lowers, which are super pretty. We got some lube. I'll take one of these out just for you guys. Nice. I'm gonna stick with the stock location stuff. Don't think we're gonna go mini tub and things like that just yet. So that'll be more than enough. We're gonna just chuck that in there. All right, and we've got anti-roll bar kit, the other pieces to it. And then look at these units down here, boys. Yes. This is the business end. All this stuff in the back, all this stuff in this little box is the business end. Look at these units. Let's take one of these out. Whoo. Oh yeah, double adjustable Vikings. Those should work right nice for what we need to do. Yes. Now, let me throw some of this stuff away, and I'm gonna get this thing into the garage. All right, this one, as you can see, I'll just go ahead and show you. We got Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake, 8.8 4-lug rear end. Not gonna be able to get that one out this evening. I'll probably take the intake, but I don't want to get extremely dirty getting that thing out. Oh, fun stuff. I am gonna take these out because I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt them. They have been in there for a while and I don't want them to get broke. All right, but what I am gonna do is I am gonna get this box out of here. Oh, I talked about the other one being the business end. Holy cow. But this one may be even more of the business end. Oh, all right. Let's get into this one real quick while we got a little bit of time. Whew. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh yes. Oh yes, look here. Look at this unit. And I want you to look at what my dudes have put in here. Look here. Let's see if I can get this thing out. because I know, look at this red, white, and blue awesomeness. I'm a sticker fan. Man, UPR, Sherrod, Steve, Brian, all you guys, you make some awesome products. I've got to figure out where to put this. Where should I put this? Comment below. That's what I want to find out today from my people watching in the comments. Where should I put this? It's not like I don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different areas to put it. Do we want it here? That's too small. I think I want it where people are gonna see it. I want them to know that we repping UPR suspension. Team UPR right here, boys. Absolutely love their products. Great customer service, always get me taken care of. We've got some strange single adjustables. Box is a little messed up. We've got coilover kits. I'm assuming a lot of that is right here, and actually right here. Then this awesome unit here. I'm not even gonna take this out yet because I'm gonna just move it into the garage before this fog sets in. It starts to rain and drizzle, but man, I am so pumped. So pumped. Let's take this thing. Supremely pumped about this deal. UPR getting me absolutely hooked up on this car here. I am sponsored by UPR. I did pay for the products, so don't think I was just giving everything on this car. There's quite a bit of money in the suspension here. I'm gonna be eating some ramen for a little while, and always got to eat compostres on Wednesdays though. But that's probably gonna be it for this video. We got Whitey unloaded. We've got the parts for Pinkman unloaded, all but the rear end. And hopefully next, I'm gonna put the wheels back on this, roll it into the garage, and start on the suspension. This wheel won't come off, and so because it won't come off, I'm just gonna drop the rear end out of it, get it all out of the way, put the new one in it with all new suspension stuff. Yeah, I'm really pumped. The plan for this deal, I know you saw the 351 Windsor Victor Jr. intake in there. It's gonna get some boost. It's probably gonna get all of it, as much as it can handle. We're gonna go for the simple setup, something that I'm hopefully gonna be going through this process with you guys on this. The next purchases are gonna be, it's not gonna be purchases. We're gonna take the block. I'm hopefully gonna get it down to TKM. We're gonna have it checked and make sure that my block is good and all of that jazz, and then order some pistons. I'm going to be putting together a budget build and trying to document everything for you guys. I'm going to document, I don't care about having too many secrets, because it is what it is. I mean, it's not like combos. I mean, I'm not going to tell exact details on things, but I am going to tell you what parts I'm going to use, because you can get all the parts from me and KOTV Motorsports. So that's what I'm going to do. That's about it. I'm gonna quit rambling. Enough talking head for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good jazz. Tell me where to put the sticker on this car. We have a big, huge bumper here. I may leave the bumper in the back for weight reasons. So if we want to put it back there, we may polish this up and put some stickers back there. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want a shirt, this is my Chief and Sean Show shirt, so I'm not repping my shirt, but shirts, the Gappening shirts. We've got red, silver, black. Hit me up, kotvmotorsports14 at yahoo.com, www.kotvmotorsports.com if you'd like a shirt. They're like 15 bucks. I can get them for $7 shipping, and I'm going to do that for every single size that I've got that I want. I just want to get them out, and it's because we got new shirts, we got new ideas that we're wanting to put on a shirt and get out there, so let's do that. I'm gonna go in and get ready. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, Girl Scout.